Hey guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to restore your contacts from your Google account. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Google. After that, you have to open up your account. After opening the account, such type of interface will appear in front of you. You just have to click on the data and privacy, and here you have to scroll down. After scrolling, you can see the option of download your data. You just have to click on this. After that, such type of interface will appear in front of you. After that, you just have to deselect all. Now we have to search for contacts and we have to select this, and at the last we just have to scroll down and we can see the option of next step. We have to click on next step, and here you have to set the frequency and you can select the file type, and after that you have to click on click export, and here you can see that it shows me your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So after your file has been prepared, such type of interface will appear in front of you. You just have to click on download, and after that your file will be start downloading. Here you have to put your password. After putting my password, as you guys can see that file download. Okay, so guys, now I have opened this file in my file manager. It is with the name takeout. You just have to click on this, and after that you have to open this file, and here you can see the option of contacts, and here you can see all of the contacts. After that your all contacts are being appeared in this file. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial of restoring your contacts from your Google account. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.